Nicholas, Nicholas, I'm making this video for you. When you grow up and you know that it is nearly 3 o'clock in the morning, you just had your milk, you were screaming since 1 o'clock, and I need to study, but you do not allow me to do anything. Why? Explain to me why. Huh? Give me my pen. That's it. That's enough. Go back to bed. Sleep. Sleep.